Welcome back. Egypt's second biggest pharmaceuticals distributor, Ibn Sina Pharma, plans to invest millions of dollars over the next 5 years to expand its storage hubs using the proceeds from an ongoing initial public offering. The company, which is offering 40% of its shares in the local market for about $90 million, plans to add 20 new distribution centers. Let's get more with the company's co-CEO, Omar Abd El-Gawad. He joins us now on the phone. Omar, I'm curious, why do the IPO now? What does the timing mean? Why did you choose this particular moment to do it?
Good. I think the market now is Egypt is ready for pharmaceutical distribution or pharmaceutical company. The sector has been appealing. It's a very residual or a very defensive sector. It's growing with a CAGR of 17% year on year. Proving, especially after all the disturbances and the changes in Egypt the last 6 years, it has been proven that it's a very solid and a very defensive sector. The market is really very few stocks trading in the healthcare business, and I would say that this stock would be like a good proxy. As we are contracted with more than 9,500 SKUs trading in Egypt, with a total SKUs for the pharmaceutical items of about a little bit more than 10,000 SKUs.
Yeah. Omar, you are doing this at a time when investors have expressed some interest in Egyptian assets, including stocks, of course. How would you describe investors' appetite for this particular IPO?
I would say we've been receiving yesterday in the allocation for the private placement 17 times coverage for the stock.
Right. What's your investment plan for
big coverage?
Right. And Omar, what's your investment plan post the IPO? You've raised all this money. What's next for the company?
We're planning to open 20 new operational sites that supports the growth of the company. The company has been growing with 31% CAGR in the last 5 years. We're expecting a CAGR of around 26 year-on-year %. So it's very important. Readiness in this business is very important because of the capacity and as well the competition. We're the fastest growing. So we are targeting in the next 5 years 26% market share. So mainly the use of proceeds will be opening new sites that will be all across Egypt, 20 additional operational sites.
Now, you mentioned competition there. How much are these new distribution hubs actually going to add to your market share?
I would say that the new distribution hubs are very important because of the infrastructure and the traffic challenges in Egypt. Delivery is very important and customer proximity is very important. So we look at it that not only the additional hubs will increase our competitiveness, but also it's very important to keep the old hubs with the right capacity. And that will also help us, of course, to increase the customer base. We are serving now 35,000 customers, which are pharmacies and hospitals. We are planning to increase our customer base to 45,000 customers, which is pharmacies and hospitals, with a total base of 60,000 in Egypt.
Yeah, quite an expansion plan there.
All right. 45,000 out of 60,000. Yes, please.
All right, Omar Abd El-Gawad, the co-founder and CEO of Ibn Sina Pharma. Thank you so much for joining us early in the morning from Cairo.